Hi guys, this is Justin Valia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we are going to learn how we can install any plugin on our WordPress website. Plugins are an important part of the WordPress ecosystem. They are necessary for building a great website using WordPress. Without them, WordPress would be simply a blogging platform. There are tens and thousands of plugins available for WordPress. Some are free, some are paid, usually on an annual basis. There are more than 59,000 free plugins available on WordPress.org plugin directory. So without further ado, let's get into the video and see how we can install any plugin for our WordPress website. So firstly, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, which in this case would be justinvalia.com/wp-admin. And there we go. So as soon as you land on your WordPress dashboard, the first thing that you need to find is an option called plugins on your left sidebar. So in this case, as you can see, I have plugins right here. So I'm just going to click on add new plugin from here. And the first plugin that we're going to install on our WordPress website is a classic editor. Of course, the kind of editor that you will have by default on your WordPress website, depending on the version that you have. Right now, for example, I have the block editor, but I feel more comfortable using the classic editor to edit my posts and write new posts over it. So I'm just going to install Classic Editor. What you can also do if you can't find Classic Editor over here is that you can just search for the plugin that you want. So I will search Classic Editor and there you go. It's over there. So we'll just hit on Install New and it's installed. Hit on Activate and voila, that's done. As you can see, all the plugins that you keep installing will start appearing on your installed plugins page. So whenever you go there, you'll find all of the plugins that you have already installed on your WordPress website for, to improve its functionality and of course to improve how the users view and experience your website. So there you go. We have successfully installed a WordPress plugin on our WordPress website. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. In our next SOP, we will learn how you can display your latest posts on the front page of your WordPress website. So stay tuned for that and go ahead, hit that subscribe button for Learn Today channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we post new videos. This is Jaswin Walia and I will see you in our next SOP.